I am currently in Canada, guys. So I'm currently in Canada. Be here for a little time. My family live back in Nigeria. Um, and so far I've been here. I've been working as a healthcare worker. I'm I'm a nurse's aide. Also, I'm an accountant, generally from Nigeria. And then currently, I'm a multiple stream earner. I trade Forex. I do about 4 streams of income from my Forex, from my online business. So I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a whole business expert. You can call me different things, basically. I make money through my phone.
Okay. So I want to get into the business real quick. So I want you to tell my fans, our followers, they are wonderful people.
Yes.
Someone that wants to make money while browsing on the internet. Can you tell us different ways the person can do that in simple terms?
Sure. Okay, so I'm going to make this as simple as I can. Okay, so like I said, these days in the world of today, a lot of people do not actually want to like stress themselves to make money. Everybody wants to work according to the analysis of the world, actually, by Bob Proctor. Bob Proctor is a financial analyst, and he specified that about 93% of the people in the world are currently working their time and money to wasting money to actually earn just a little bit of money, because then you go to work, you buy gas, you feed yourself, you pay your bills, and you only work a certain amount of time and just to make a certain amount of money, right?
Yes.
So but about 3% of people actually invest, just 3% of people in the world, and those people are the people that allow their money to make them extra income, which is the best thing you can do to yourself. And only 1% of people in the whole world actually have multiple streams of income, and I think I fall under that category because I have multiple stream of income, so I fall under that category. First of all, online business is what is actually like helping a lot of people now. If you noticed in the pandemic, a lot of people were like, those people that had businesses run out of businesses. If you were working for someone, most people actually ran out of business because it wasn't easy at that point, right? But currently, it's not an easy task. You actually have to go online to actually make money. So I started this opportunity because I was doing about 3 to 4 jobs here in Canada, and then I saw that, okay, why am I stressing myself so much? I can just go online and see what I can do for myself. And then I had a friend that told me all about this online platform, which is I Am Mastery Academy, who is giving you a lot of stream of income from east, west, north, and south, right? So I think you need to let people know about the Igbo thing, right? You need to let them know all about this online platform, which is
No problem. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
I've already communicated to them that this one is for everyone.
Okay.
If I hear anybody continue to make the same statements, I will just block you. I'm not interested in how many people watching me, but for people that are following Igbo TV, some of them are not Igbo. This is not Ogende Igbo. Ogende Igbo is specifically Igbo program. So I have explained that, and I hope you will understand. But if you fail to understand, I will use the hardware to deal with some black people that doesn't understand. Go ahead.
Okay, so I apologize for that part. I can't do a presentation in Igbo. So, like I said, a lot of people struggle and all of that, but I Am Mastery Academy came into the world right now. It's actually been here for a long time. It's just that people didn't notice. People don't know, they have thousands and thousands of people, which is why I said 1% and 3% invest, right? So right now, I Am Mastery Academy is the best academy in the world because right now it's giving people opportunity to make money from every means. You have 5 streams of income with I Am Mastery Academy, and that is what I'm going to be telling you guys about this morning. So first of all, we have the Forex trading. A lot of people have heard about Forex trading. Many people know about Forex trading, but a lot of people don't know any single thing about Forex trading. Don't know, like, okay, what is Forex? People are scared, like, oh, Forex is a lot of drama, a lot of everything. Like me, when I first saw it, I saw the charts, like the chart table. I was like, yeah, I'm not about to go into this kind of stress. Please, I can't do this. But fortunately for me, I had a coach, I had a mentor who was, as in, like, telling me what to do. I joined the academy, which is I Mastery Academy. I Mastery Academy is like a school when you go to a school to learn how to trade. But it's the sweetest school because now you don't have to go to school for 4 years. You don't have to go to school for 5 years. You go to school for just about 3 days or 4 days, and you start earning money. That's the sweetest part about the whole thing. So I joined the Forex Academy. I joined the High Frequency Forex Academy. High Frequency Forex Academy is money made in minutes. That is the sweetest one and the best one you can do because you're trading currency in 2 minutes, in 3 minutes. You're trading currency. I wish I can share my screen, but I mean, I'll
just for the sake of those people that have not got into the all the nitty-gritty of online trading, can you just tell me about, let me say, three ways you can make quick cash through online trading?
Okay, guys. So the 3 ways you can make money through online trading is one, you're gonna trade Forex. Two, you're gonna trade high frequency Forex, which is money made in minutes, which is the one that is making people millions and billions right now. And cryptocurrency. A lot of you know about Bitcoin. A lot of you know about coin payments. Everything coin. Many people know about it. Right now, Bitcoin is going massively, massively high, right? And a lot of people want to trade Bitcoin. Some people don't know. Some people don't know like anything about Bitcoin. Some people don't know anything about. So now Bitcoin is like I used to call it blood money. I call Bitcoin blood money because Bitcoin gives you money in an hour you've made all the money you want to make in a day, right? And then HFX is also blood money because now you have a 500 account and you can grow that 500 account to over as much as you want, right? With your compound plan. Now they also have the e-commerce for those people who have businesses, for those people who want to start businesses, right? The academy gives you an opportunity to join, and they will help you open a store online, right? And they will make sure they help you with your website so that it can be like you can have an opportunity to start a business for yourself. And then they make your business known. So if your friend now types in your business and wants to search for what you're selling, right? The person will search for it. There's something they call there's a tool they use to make your business popular. That is what the academy does for you. And you don't have
so now I don't want you to go ahead and be selling the academy. What I want is I know that you guys deal with cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin and the stock trading and all those things. I want you to just give me the major parts. Then we now check them one after the other.
Oh, the major parts. I've mentioned the major parts already, which is Forex. The second one is high frequency Forex. The third one is cryptocurrency, which is digital currency Forex. And then the last one is the ECX. And then the fifth stream of income is the residual income. That's the one I told you that if you bring people, the company then pays you as a staff now, right? That's the 5 streams of income I have for you guys. Okay. So what do you want me to do? Do you want me to explain?
Yeah, let's start with cryptocurrency.
Okay, so digital currency is anything that has to do with coin payments, right? We have different types of coin payments. We have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have so many, right? The popular one people know is Bitcoin. But most coin payments move in the same direction. So if Bitcoin is going up too, you check Ethereum is also going up, guys. So it's like Bitcoin is all you need to do is when you sign up to the academy, then Bitcoin, what they do is they give you what to trade. You have over 10 scanners that is giving you signals, over 200 signals per day. Right? Those signals are for you to just copy and paste for a learner, right? If you're just starting, all you need to do is you go to your platform, you download the app, and then you have the opportunity to come in and actually take trades for yourself. Right?
Like for someone that is trying to start up the business, like what is the minimum amount of money the person would use to start it up?
So for people I bring new, I usually tell them, what I tell them is, if you're starting for the first time, don't start with so much money, because then you need to discipline yourself to be able to start with as little as you can so that you can make more money. So I usually tell people to start with $100, which is 40 something thousand naira in naira. That's for something thousand naira right now. So I usually tell people to start with as low as that, so that they can be disciplined enough to compound that money to become a bigger amount, right? So yeah, you can start cryptocurrency with $100 as or 40 something thousand naira in naira. That's all.
Oh, okay. That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah.
So, do you have more thing to tell us about Bitcoin, which is a cryptocurrency, or do you want us to go into stock trading?
So, good thing is I'm into the four of them. I do
Mm-hmm.
the stocks, I do the cryptocurrency, I do the HFX, which is high frequency. I mostly do the high frequency forex, which is money made in minutes, because
Okay.
that one you have go live. Like I'm watching you. You guys are watching us on live right now. I can be on live and I'll be analyzing the market, which is as an educator. I'm not an educator though, but we have educators that will be on live right with you right now and be calling out signals for you to trade HFX.
Ana m abịa ihe ga-eme mgbe ọzọ anyị na-aga ime m ga-akpọpụta ofu onye na-ede ihe a ọ ga-abịa ị na-ekwu ọ na-translate ya n'Igbo.
Yes, please. Yes.
O nwere ofu onye enyi m so na-eme ya mkpọ ya ọ nọrọ n'akụkụ
Can he?
ikwuo ọ translate ya n'Igbo gaa n'ihu.
Yes. Okay. So like I said, high frequency forex is the one you actually made. I wish I can. I'll be trying to put in a bit of Igbo.
No,
It's not.
yeah,
It's not.
this is a money making venture, which I know most of our people that follows Igbo TV, they are our friends as well. So we are not going to deny them that opportunity of making money. We have a program called Ogendibo. Ogendibo, you cannot come here and speak any other language other than Igbo language. Even the Bible says that there is time for everything, and we must respect that. Go ahead.
Yes. Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, so high frequency forex is the sweetest one because you can make your money in 2 minutes, in 3 minutes. You have people on live like me and you right now, and then they are calling out these signals for you and telling you, hey, you guys go and take this trade, buy this and sell this or sell this at this amount. 3 minutes. And in 3 minutes, boom, you're out from the market with your bag. That's the sweetest market you can ever imagine. For those people that don't have patience, that want to make money sharp, HFX is meant for them because then you just come in, you make your money, compound your account, you grow your account. Before you know it, at the end of the month, you see what you're making. What you're making is not what you could ever make in the next 1 year in working for somebody, especially in Nigeria or even in this part of the world, in the US, anywhere, you can never make that kind of money, right? That's all about HFX. So, you want to ask?
No, go ahead after.
So yeah, that's all about HFX, that's all about DCX. The next one is Forex. For a lot of people, they like trading Forex, and you can trade cryptocurrency in Forex also. You can trade Forex alone. You can trade Forex is the kind of trade that you enter and you leave it. It's something you leave for like an hour, 4 hours. It can go as days, it can go as so. For example, now if I want to take a trade in Forex, right, I just need to go to one of the scanners on my platform. But most times this kind of thing is usually better when it's visually seen, because now if I'll share my screen, they'll see me telling them, okay, this is where you pick the trade, this is how you pick the trade, and all of that.
Maybe next time when you come, we'll be able to share the screen. Yes, but let's just give them the
I would have shown you guys. Then you see basically all you need to do is go on one of the scanners. We have over 10 scanners for each stream of income, right? And when you go there, you will see the trade. They're giving you entry points, right? Entry points is where you will enter the market, either for a buy or a sell. They'll tell you where to enter because they have professionals, they have educators that have been in this academy for years. They've been trading for years. They are currently earning in all currencies, like they are rich. They're wealthy, not even rich, right? So they give you these signals, and then you just go there, you copy your take profit, which is where you want your money to come out, like the amount you want to get from that particular trade, right? You copy profit, you copy your loss. If there's going to be a stop loss, which is in case so the market reverses on you, you won't lose. Do you understand? So they give you all of that stuff. They'll give you all of that information on your on that scanner. That's how all of them works. They give you all of the information you need, right? So that's how the first stream of income. I've mentioned the 4 now, I think.
Oh yes. Wait. Please, listeners, I will be taking your question one after the other, but let me ask her some questions that I know that most of you must have in mind to ask. So after that, I'll be taking your question one after the other. Some of them was, they were asking like, how do I get started, and how, what is the name of the app and stuff like that. I know that you will still come back to that. Having said that, I want us to go into stock trading, because I know there is a huge difference between Bitcoin and the stock trading.
Yes.
For a layman that doesn't know anything, I want you to break it down.
Okay.
What is stock trading?
So stock trading is when you buy or sell stocks, right? Now stocks can be that it falls under, okay, let's say you want to open a business, like right? You want to open a business and they tell you, oh, how many shares do you want to have in the business? Is it 1,000 shares in the company that you're opening, right? Now, stocks is like you buying part of that company, right? It's like you buying part, like it's like you trading on the shares of the company, like you're trading on that, like you're actually trying to get stock from the company. So all you're doing is you can go to Netflix. Now, for those of you that watch Netflix, you can go to Netflix and say, okay, I want to trade on Netflix. What is the news saying about Netflix? Is there anything that's going to happen on Netflix? Right? Now, if you trade on Netflix at that point, you're going to make profit. Depends on what the news is saying. Let me give you a perfect example. For Bitcoin now, the day Bitcoin went from I think it was 30 something, 39 to 44K, right?
Yes.
That was the day Elon Musk, which is the Bitcoin lord, Elon Musk bought Bitcoin. He's a rich person, and he bought a lot of Bitcoin because he has the money and he trades Bitcoin, right? In the world, him buying that Bitcoin shook Bitcoin. That is why Bitcoin went from this to this, right? Now, if he pulls out his money, Bitcoin drops. It's the same thing as stocks. You can say, okay, let me go and see what the news is saying. Someone might say something about about Netflix now, or something might go on in Netflix, and you see that Netflix is going up, and you want to buy Netflix, right? You want to buy stocks. That's how stocks work, and it's the same strategies. On my WhatsApp right now, I am currently getting signals on stock. What do we call signals? Signals are trade ideas, right? I have people on my coaches, my mentors, they're already in this academy. They understand how it works. So they can even sit down, analyze the market themselves, and give you stock trade to go and trade. They can tell you, go and buy Google at this amount, set your take profit at this amount, set your stop loss at this amount. Right? That's all they do. For those people that trade stocks and the kind of stocks that people trade and leave their money for a long time and then they come back. No, we do the kind of stocks we do is the one we tell you, go and enter this now and then make your profit in the next few hours, in the next few minutes. That's how ours work.
Okay, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Let me go ahead and take some questions from our wonderful viewers and listeners. This person, let me take this one. This person that said, I need her number. I think you are the IG that we displayed online will be able to help you. If the person DM you, you can be able to give the person the necessary information the person needs, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So basically, my phone number is on the poster on my page, but that's my WhatsApp number. If people want to reach me, reach out to me. My Instagram handle is, I think that's what I used here. Is it showing?
Uh,
It's not even correct. I think I didn't. The name is not typed correctly. It's supposed to be MSJAY. Yeah. So my Instagram handle, I don't know if you wanna. Do I need to type it or something?
It's MS underscore
MS underscore JAY
NEY.
JAY.
Okay, okay.
Yes, J.
I have it like this. Let me see. I want
I
you to
think it's not
take a
correct.
look at it at the screen.
Yeah, MS, IG at MS. Yeah, that one is correct.
So now, let me get to the other question. This person asked this question. Said, please, the app name. What is the app name that you can use?
Okay, so the we don't what we do is you come into the academy, which is I Am Mastery Academy, because they're the one that will teach you from scratch and also give you what to trade. They're the one that provided all the opportunities. They give you all the scanners where you can pick those trades from per day. Like I
Mm,
said, over 200 trades in a day. And if you get 200 trades in a day, you cannot take all of them. You will definitely take some and leave some, right? So
mm,
it's very, very simple. We don't use apps. The app we use are trading apps. That is after you've learned. And
mm,
then you now start using those apps to trade. We
mm,
have brokers we use. We have suggested brokers, recommended brokers from us, like people that are coaches, mentors. They suggest brokers that they feel will be easier for you if you are
mm.
just starting up. That's how we work.
Okay. I have another question from Romeo Chi, and he says, "Is there any registration fee?"
Okay, so now there is registration. There are registration fees for each academy you want to join.
Mm.
Forex, we have a registration fee of 235, right? Now, the good thing
When you said 235, is it in
in
naira
dollar,
or in
sorry,
dollars?
in dollar, yes.
Okay.
So the currency is in dollar, right? We
Yeah.
have I am trying to open it so that I can give you all the price lists so that I don't make mistakes.
Okay.
So the price for each, we have two packages. We have the platinum and we have the elite package. Now the platinum package comes with you registering for either of the stream of income I've mentioned to you, which is you can
Mm-hmm.
register for Forex. You can say, okay, I'm a Forex person, I want to trade only Forex, I want to trade currency. And then
Mm.
you can say, okay, no, I don't want to trade only currency, I want to trade currency, HFX, and cryptocurrency, right? Me, I do Bitcoin. I will not lie because Bitcoin gives money, right? I do Bitcoin, I do high frequency, and I do the regular currency Forex too, right? Because all of
Why do you choose to do Bitcoin more often?
no, I do HFX more often because it's fast. HFX is faster for somebody that works or
Mm-hmm.
goes to work or like is struggling to keep up. HFX is the best for you because then you're just coming in and going out. You come in and you secure your bag and you're out of the market. That's HFX for you, right?
Mm.
So that is what I invest my time more into. Bitcoin, I trade Bitcoin a lot too, but that's when I'm giving a signal. Like we have Picasso is the Bitcoin lord, right? All over the world, everybody knows Picasso. You can go on Instagram and check him out, right?
Mm.
He will tell you what to trade on Bitcoin. And once he tells me that, I take the trade, right? That's all I do for him. I just copy it and I paste it. Then for HFX, I can trade HFX myself. I don't need to wait for anybody because it is very simple. Very, very simple. If you're new, you will learn it. I'm just 3 months gone and I'm already a pro. Like I can trade HF. I'm not a professional. I can trade HFX on my own, sitting down looking at my computer like this because it's very simple. Now for the registration fee, we have two packages. Like I said, we have the platinum and we have the elite. Now if you want to register for just cryptocurrency, digital currency, right, you can
Mm-hmm.
pay $234 as registration, right? That's your registration fee. And then when you sign up after a month, then you start paying a subscription of $174.95, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now the main registration fee, which is elite, if you want to register for all of them, you want to register for Forex, cryptocurrency, and which is what I recommend because the difference between the other one and this one is very tiny. And that's because you gain more access to everything in the academy than just having one access to one. You will be tempted because you see people on the group, you see people making money from others. So you just want to do everything at once, right? Now
Mm-hmm.
that package is $324.95 US dollar, guys. And then the monthly subscription is $274.95. Now, most people are scared of that amount. When you hear it, you'll be like, oh, 300. But $300 is nothing compared to what you'll be making in this academy, right?
Because I know that most people that are listening to us, some
Yeah.
of them have the knowledge, and
Mm-hmm.
some doesn't have much knowledge about that.
Yes.
So, like any other businessman, what they will be asking, if I invest this, maybe this $300, how
Mm-hmm.
much can I be getting in a month?
Okay. So, first of all, before I go into that part, I want to say something. Now, $324 for I Am Mastery Academy is your registration. Now,
Mm,
they've given you an opportunity to see
mm,
if you feel like you're struggling, you can bring two people. 2 people is like a scholarship program for you, which
Mm,
if you bring 2 people, then you have the opportunity
mhm,
to trade freely. You don't have to pay monthly subscription so long as those
mhm,
people are active. Now,
mhm,
if you register with $324.95
mhm,
and you learn, usually we give people about you can make money in 72 hours when you sign up to the academy, but it's advisable for you to be patient
mhm,
and learn the skill. At least have an idea, have a proper idea of how to do copy and paste first before you start learning how to understand what they are looking like, how to analyze the
mhm,
market by yourself, how to look for the or like everything, all the points you're looking out for just to take a trade,
mhm,
right?
mhm,
Be good enough to copy a trade and
mhm,
and then you're going to start a live account. What we do is when we register you, we add you to all our groups, our
mhm,
WhatsApp groups, we add you to
mhm.
Telegram. This academy is no joke. It's not a like what we're doing is not a joke. It's not a one person something. Is
Yeah,
a like
there's a quick question. Sorry to cut you off. Um, Someone has asked this question before, but is
yeah,
this a repeated question?
okay.
I'll put it this way. You know, there is a news that Bitcoin has been stopped in Nigeria.
Yes.
Maybe it's a myth or it might be true. So I want you to answer that question.
Mhm.
If you are trading on Bitcoin in Nigeria, what is your fate?
So for people trading in Bitcoin in Nigeria, they are just worried because now the only people this thing will affect is people that already have like their accounts. They've
Mm-hmm.
been writing Bitcoin in their maybe their state like their description parts. Maybe when they are trying to transfer Bitcoin, they put it there. Or in fact, I don't even think it will affect them because me, I have done it, and my account is still functioning, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, let me explain why it won't affect you because now, if you're trading, if you join and you
Mm-hmm.
want to start trading, you're trading with, let's say you're trading with $100, you're starting with $100, right? Now, if $100 into you buy a Bitcoin of $100, $100 US,
Mm-hmm.
right? Now you're buying from somebody. You're not buying from the bank. Bank don't even sell Bitcoin before. I don't understand how it affects people because it doesn't. Bank do not sell Bitcoin. Nobody owns Bitcoin. And currently the government are angry about that, that nobody owns Bitcoin. So they want to take advantage of that fact, but it doesn't affect any trader. That doesn't, so long as you're not about to say, oh, I want to buy Bitcoin from this person, and then you go and say, oh, this money is for Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
Why would you even want to put that in description in the first place, right? So it is not, Bitcoin is not a bank account. It's not a it's a wallet. It's on its own. It's an app. Blockchain, Coinbase, Luno, all those things are apps on its own. Except you run a business that your business is linked with the bank and it's Bitcoin stuff, fine. But banks do not sell Bitcoin, so it affects your business in no way. In no way at
So
all.
to summarize the whole thing, it doesn't affect them at all.
Affect your business at all. For people that are trading Bitcoin, as long
Mm.
as you're not putting your money in the bank, as long as you're not doing all of that, nothing affects your business
Okay.
at all.
Okay. Thank you. Before we go on, someone was asking me to bring somebody in, but you have to know something. The reason why I brought Ms Jenny is because I know her. If you want to do any trading with her, I mean her, I
Mhm.
don't have problem with that because if she in any way goes
Yeah,
contrary to the agreement, I
yeah,
will hold her responsibility. I
definitely.
know where we live. There
Mhm.
is law and order. So I'm not bringing anybody that I don't know into this platform to come and say anything. You have to first of all come, and I have to do some research about you for me to bring you in here. Right now, after this program, if you want to sign up, it have to be through her.
Mhm.
Any other, if you go ahead and maybe do it through any other person, you are on your own.
Yes.
On your own.
Mhm.
I know most of the time our people doesn't listen, but
Yes.
whether you listen or you didn't listen, it is your business.
Yes.
But for my own people, I will like a situation whereby you go and invest in a genuine place,
Opportunity.
making sure that you don't lose your money for any
Yeah.
reason. So I want you to go ahead.
Yes. So somebody, I think I didn't finish explaining the bringing the 2 people because
Mhm,
people will be interested in that part. So you bring 2 people, you get free subscription. When you pay your monthly subscription, you bring those 2 people will register under you. Now, if 2 people register under you, your next month subscription is free. As long as those people are active, you keep getting free every month, every month. That's the best scholarship they can give you.
Mm.
And this is because they've encouraged you to do marketing. And you don't even need to do it. For me, I post my trades each day. When I trade finish, I post it. People will see it and be like, Jennifer, when did you start this? How we and they will ask me and I'll tell them
Mhm.
about it. Right? Now, sometimes you don't even need to stress yourself to say, okay, what if I'm not a talking person? What if I can't tell this person about this? Don't bother. Just get the contact. Tell them, oh, I want to tell you something about forex trading. Put
Mm.
a call through to your coach, put a call through to your mentor. Once you come in, you're not alone, definitely. You have people. If you're signing up under me, you have me, you're in my group, you're in the general groups, and all you need to do is tell them, oh, I want to do a presentation for this person. A proper Zoom presentation will be done for that person, right? That's
Mm.
how it works. For that two and free, you don't need to bother yourself. If you want me to talk about the residual income part, which is the part where it keeps going up and up and up and up when you start earning money every month from the academy, which is the residual income. Now, if you have brought two people in the academy, it means you can bring more. So why would
Okay.
you want to bring more and be earning more? For me, I am in four. I told you guys I do this year's FRX,
Mhm.
this one, which is residual income, because I earn money from the academy now,
Mm.
right? Now,
Mm.
if you bring three people, if you've brought two people and you're two and free, you now move and say, okay, I have one more person. You have siblings, you have cousins, people that ask you for money, you have friends. Show
Mm.
them the way. Don't be giving somebody where what they had this to do. There's a proverb that says
Fish.
giving
Fish.
somebody show the person how to fish.
Mhm.
Yeah. Show people how to fish. Don't tell. I have a guy here that registered his little cousin in Nigeria. The guy has more brain than him. So he had to register him, let him, this guy will be able to make us money fast, fast. Do you understand me? He registered him
Mhm.
instead of him asking me money every month, every month. Instead, I'll pay your subscription, register yourself, right? So
Mhm.
this is all you need to do. And once you now say, okay, I'm moving from two to three. You
Mhm.
bring one more person, that's three people. The company is going to pay you $150,
Mhm.
right? $150 plus commission.
Mm.
Commission is $50 for each person you sign up with the elite package, which is
Mm.
the 324 package. You
Okay.
get commission of $50 to
Mm.
that 150. So you're earning $300,
Mm.
right? And
Mm.
that $300 will be broken down in your first month. It will be broken down in weeks.
Mm.
So, guys, you're getting paid every Friday,
Every
right?
week.
Every week Friday. So now you have become a, like, if you're earning two weeks or you're earning monthly, now you're earning weekly. Fridays is our paydays. That's the best day in the academy because
Mm.
everybody's posting how much they're about to collect this week. That's the best thing you can do to yourself, right? Now
Mm.
you can go further to say, okay, they tell you personally you have to register those people personally by yourself,
Mm.
right? But they not tell you accumulate, not personally anymore. Just if you bring three people, those three people bring three. You have automatically moved to 600. Now you start earning 600 in the academy.
Mm.
Now, if you give yourself time and you say, oh, the monthly subscription, oh, this, if you start earning 600, has it not covered what you've registered with and what you're making monthly? Let's say you don't even want to be trading. I'm just giving you an example of you don't want to be trading, right?
Mm.
Now
Mm.
start saying, okay, oh, this has covered your monthly subscription. This has covered your, like, whatever you've paid so far. In the next, let's say you give yourself 2 months and say, okay, I want to learn properly, but I'll do the residual part. Now you're going to be making that profit, right? Now,
Mm.
600 naira is almost 200 and something thousand naira. Which company, if you are working as a regular staff, a person that just left university, and you go and say, I'm looking for a job, how much would they pay you? Guys, that's the question I asked myself. I asked myself, like, my minimum wage here is 11 something. As a healthcare worker, we earn more money, nurses, we earn more money and all of that. But how much are they going to pay me at the end of the year? And how much am I going to make from just this academy? Do you understand me? So it's
Mm.
something you have to give yourself thought about and say this is a long term. It's a future investment. It's not a day one. It's not a month investment. Something that when you look at yourself, you learn
Mm.
this skill and we can never leave you. They can take you out of work, but they can never take a skill out of you. They can't.
Mm.
Right? If you learn this skill tomorrow, you now start telling your children, oh, this is what I want. Like me now, I won't want my children to work for anybody. Since I've known about all this kind of opportunity, why would I want my children to go and be work? I can tell them, okay, work for 1 year so that you just have the experience. Just so you have the experience of what the life outside is like. But if not, people start earning from 18 years
Mm.
and they're making money. So many people in this academy are very young. So many people are mothers. That's the sweetest part. My mentor is a mom, right? She's young, but she's a mom. And she's having time for this. She's a government worker. She does a lot, but she is earning money from this now. She's planning to leave her whatever she's doing just to focus on this because she's earning money from this. She
So
1,000 in a
yeah,
month.
so in other words, you
Yeah.
can doing other work at the
Yeah,
same time.
you can also work. For me now, I told you guys that I used to work over 3 jobs and all of that. I only do one now. I don't stress myself.
Hmm.
Once, and that's because I haven't achieved a certain level in the academy. Once I achieve a certain level, I'm
Mhm.
definitely not going to be working for anybody because how much are they paying me?
How long have you been in the academy?
This is just my 3rd month. My 3rd month.
Wow.
Strict and clear. See, when you join the academy, this
Mm-hmm.
fire transfers to you. You will definitely be energized. You want to go all in. That's the
Mm.
honest truth, right? So if you actually like give yourself time, I didn't rush myself because I've seen it. I just sat down and said this is something I want to do for the rest of my life.
Mm.
So I told myself, this is all this stream of income. I must achieve all of them. I must start working with all of them. And
Mm.
that's why I give myself time to learn. A lot of people come in and they want to make money in that first. Oh, I want
Mm.
to be rich now, now, now. If I don't make the money now, 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 please. I don't like people like that in my team. Because,
So
yeah, go ahead.
there is this fear that most people have. You
Mhm.
know, any business that have to do with bring two people more. Most
Mhm.
of the time, some people are very skeptical about it. So
That's
now, and you know, not everyone knows how to convince people because you have to convince somebody to come and
yes.
join.
Mhm.
Now, for someone who is not good at convincing people,
Mhm.
you know that this business is not for that person.
No, it's for everybody. You don't need to talk. Almost everybody in my team don't like talking. They don't know how to do a presentation. And this is the reason why not everybody will want to be able to like tell somebody about something. Somebody might say, okay, I'm coming here to trade, so I don't care about that part of the business. But that part of the business doesn't affect your trading whatsoever. Right?
I,
That's the
I
good
want
thing.
to get it. I want to get this answer very
Okay.
clear. You know, you have to bring certain number of people, mainly two people, right?
Yes.
Now, let's assume that you are still doing the business, but you have
Mhm.
not bring two people.
Mhm.
Can you still succeed without that?
Yes, you can.
Okay,
So
explain to us.
all you need to do is focus on your trading.
Okay.
If you know, because why I tell people to bring 2 people is because I want them to take more time to learn. This whole thing is a broad, it's not something you can learn overnight, right?
Okay.
You will definitely learn copy and paste. You definitely learn how to start earning money. But I like people in my team to properly understand. That is why I always say, okay, give yourself time to learn. So that now your pressure will be like, oh, it's almost month end. I want to make money. I want to make money. If month reach now, I'll have to go and pay again. Right?
Mm.
Now, because of that, I always tell people just bring 2 people. So you won't be worried. Not because it's tied to your trading or tied to. See, I grew my account from $80. I told you guys, I've been announcing it's all over social media. My coach posted it. I grew my account from $80. I started with $80. But guys, I gave myself time,
Mm.
right? I gave myself time. I didn't earn that money in the first month because I purposely wanted to learn. I could have earned that money in my first month, but I purposely wanted to learn. People that joined the academy, the guy signed up in my academy, he made his first $300 in the first in the 2 weeks he joined. And that's because he's a fast learner. He's already into all of this, right? But not everybody work like that. Now that $300, if you don't concentrate on the learning and you concentrate on the earning, you will lose it. And if you don't follow instructions, you have to be coachable. If not, you will lose it.
Mm.
Right? Now, that is what me I tell people for my own part, though. But for me,
Mm.
I put my $80 account from 80 to 300 in one day, and that is Bitcoin I traded. From 300 to 800 in one day. That's 2 days. I traded 2 days and I made 800. Now, me that I was worried of my subscription, of
Mm.
my the next month payment, because I made this money in my second month.
Mm.
Now, haven't I paid off the 324 and the 274 for my subscription? I have paid it off, right? You just have to be patient. That is
Okay.
all and how it works.
Okay, let me see if someone else have a question
Yes.
before I
And it
conclude.
doesn't affect your trade. For those of you that are scared that,
Mm,
oh, what if I can't bring people? No, 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 no. Guys, don't be scared. It doesn't affect your trading. Your trading account is
mm.
different from if you bring somebody your business. If you don't bring your business, nobody's disturbing you from
But
trading.
you will make more money if you bring somebody.
You make more money. Me, I'm interested in making. See, I can't be in. I'm an Igbo girl. I'm a Nigerian girl, right? I can't be in a opportunity that is giving you plenty stream of income. I will not grab all of them. I'm still grabbing. I'll grab all of them with time, right? That's how I work,
Okay.
right? I'll grab all of them with time. That's me.
Let's take this question. He said, how much can someone make in a month?
Okay, so that's depending on you and the trades you take, right? Now, for HFX, there's something we call Compound Daily. Compound Daily is an app. If
Mm,
you guys can check it out. It's an app that if you put in $100, you now check, okay, how much do you want to be making per day? You
mm,
have a daily target of, let's say, 2% or 3% of your $100, right? At the
mm.
end of the month, let me see if I can do the calculation here. I hope I'm
Mm.
not gonna.
No, go ahead.
Okay, let me just do a quick calculation for you guys. Let me do a quick calculation for you guys.
Just you don't have to get the exact, just like
I
an
know. I just want to give
estimated
you. I
amount.
want to give them an estimate, right?
Okay,
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 let's say now you want to trade 3%, and you want to
okay,
trade it in 30 days minus weekends, right?
okay.
That's minus
Mm,
weekends, and you say, okay, I want to be making 3% of my account each
mm,
day. 3% of your account. If you say, okay, that one is no, not actually 3%. Let's say you want to make up to 5% of your account, or
mm,
5% or 7% of your account, at
mm,
the end of the month you'll be making, that's if you're trading just 5%. 5% of
mm,
$100 for the first day is like $5.
mm,
That's if you want to go small, you want to go low, low, low like that, right? Now you'll be
mm,
earning each day, you'll be making $5. The next day you make 5.25, next day you make five. All you'll be making at the end of the month will be $432 in 1 month for just HFX. For just HFX, $100. You trade small, small. You're this kind of person that say, oh, I don't want to lose my money. I want to go slow. I always tell
mm.
people to be disciplined. Stick to your daily targets. If you make $5, run out. Don't come and be a stingy person. Come and do sense. Hey, I made more money. I want to keep going. I want to keep going. Doesn't
So
work.
it's all about being smart. You know when to
Be
run.
disciplined, not even smart.
Okay, okay.
Discipline. You will see the signals. It will be tempting you, but discipline. That is why your coaches will be there to mentor you. They'll tell you, don't go. There'll be mind motivations. They'll motivate you. They'll give you that mentality of sticking to what you're
Mm-hmm.
supposed to be doing, right? So if you're doing $100, you can make that money in 30. That's in a month. But
Mm.
now, Bitcoin, Forex, other things, you can make your money in 1 day.
So I would throw this
Made
question to you.
$80 in 1 day, and I
Mm,
made to $300 the next day. Bitcoin went from 29 that day. I traded
mm.
Bitcoin. The next day,
Okay.
again, Bitcoin was still going up, and Picasso has called this trade. I entered Bitcoin again, and I increased my $300 account to
Mm,
$800.
mm,
Right? So
mm.
now it's not a fixed amount you can make in a month, but the
Okay.
fixed amount you can get is for HFX.
Mm,
HFS gives you what you can make. All you need to do is follow your strict target, your strict daily target, right?
mm,
Then you can
mm.
make that amount of money.
Okay, thank you so much. Let me greet my people. Most of them came here to join. Danny, the twins, and all my wonderful people. I see you all. Thank you so much. My sister, I'm going to ask you another
Sure.
shocking question before we round up because we are almost done.
Yeah.
In a month, because I know from what you just explained,
Mm-hmm.
you trade on cryptocurrency, stock,
Mm-hmm.
and the other one that you just mentioned.
High
Like,
frequency forex, yes.
yes, yes, like in a month, how much do you make?
For me, I'm compounding my $500 account. For HFX, I started trading HFX. This is February. I started
Mm,
trading HFX January ending, I think towards January ending, and then I'm moving my $500 account.
mm,
It's at I'm doing my compound plan, and my $500 account is about almost 1,000 now,
mm,
right? And that's just been in like a week or so, right? That's just been in a week, and that's because I've been following my compound rule. No, it's actually been like 7 days, And that's because I'm following my compound rules.
Mm.
Now, guys, I'm not Father Christmas. I'm not here to deceive anybody. If you think you will come and make money every day, you are lying to yourself. Because even people that are professionals
Mm.
lose trades. But what they do is they are disciplined enough to follow their compound plan, not to lose more than they are gaining. Your winning has to be more than you gain. So for me now, my account will reach by the end of 30 days, my account is supposed to reach about 10K or so, something like that. Then by the end of 90, because I'm compounding my account for 90 days, I give myself 90 days to compound my account.
Mm.
So by 90 days, I should be in over 200K if I follow my compound rule, right? And
Mm.
that's why I post my trades each day. I post how my account grows. I keep showing people so that people don't feel like, oh, is a fake or anything. Yesterday we did live trade. We did live trade with somebody that just joined the academy and is like, I think he's a few years old. He traded. He grew his $500 account from 500 to over 220, almost 30K now.
Yeah. So
Right?
I know that the amount you put will determine how much you're going to.
Yes, you get yes.
There's a difference that makes me to ask you that question. How
Sure.
much you make
Yes.
per month? Because, like I said, the amount you put will determine everything. I want
Yes.
to know overall in a
Mm-hmm.
month how much do you invest and how much do you gain as a profit?
So
And in a simple term, you don't have to
yes,
be
yes,
specific.
that's what I'm gonna explain to
Just like
you. That's
people,
what I'm gonna
just
explain to you.
you don't just give me a number. Like just give me a kind of an
Let me
estimate.
explain. Let me explain why I'm saying that to you. Because now, for me, when I
Mm.
started trading forex, I made my money very fast, and from there, I just kept growing my account. Now, I can't tell you how much I have exactly in my account because I'm always very careful before I no. So, and why I say this is because I don't withdraw from my account, from my
Yes,
trading account.
yes,
I only pay my subscription from that account and I
yeah.
earn residual income. So my residual income is paying for whatever bill I want to pay,
Mm.
right? So for my account, my trading account, my money is there. I invested $500.
Mm-hmm.
If you're in the US, you're in Canada, before you can start a live account, you need $500. I forgot to say that. If you're in
Okay.
Europe and any other country, the brokers don't allow you to open an account without $250. But
Okay.
for US, Canada, you have to have up to 500. I think 252. But if you're in Nigeria, you can start with $10 as a matter of
Mm.
fact,
Mm.
right? That's the sweetest part about people that are in Nigeria. But for we here, we have to start with, and me, I'm not withdrawing my money. When my money reaches where I want it to reach, I will show you guys. It's very simple. I don't, it's a plain something, right? Now, but for me, my monthly income is in my account there. I'm seeing it. I don't need it. I have my residual income working,
Mm-hmm.
which is I'm bringing people and I'm earning from the academy. I'm building a team. I'm not even bringing those people myself. My
Mm.
team will be bringing people. I told you my one or someone under me signed his cousin. The other person signed his friend.
Mm-hmm.
As they're signing, my team is accumulating. Everybody's growing. I
Mm.
don't need to bring everybody. But so long as people are under me, and the sweetest part is me now, I can place people under the people that I have. You don't even need to kill yourself or the like, oh, bring everybody, bring no. You
Mm.
just need to have the right team for you to have people that are pushing you up. Like me now, I push my team members. I've placed people under some people under me, right? And now as they grow, I grow. They grow, right? So it's like it's a together something. You don't just grow alone. One person is not earning alone. No,
Yeah.
that's how it works.
Thank you so much. For anyone that want to join Ms Jenny on Instagram, because I believe when you send her a message on Instagram,
Yes.
she'll be able to respond accordingly.
Yeah.
This is her IG,
Mm-hmm.
Miss underscore Jenny.
Yeah.
Yes. Any question that you have, I believe she'll be able to guide
Yes.
you through. And I am, when it comes to this particular trading, anyone uh, that's come through,
You able to.
you,
Mm-hmm.
people were saying, why can't you bring more people here? No, 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 no. We cannot do that because I have to verify. I have to find out who you
Yes.
are before
Exactly.
bringing you in. So this interview that I'm doing, I have my eyes wide open, so
Mm-hmm.
you have nothing to worry about.
Yes.
Ask some question. If you want to join the academy, feel free. She will be there to answer your question. Remember, anyone that tells you that it come through Igbo TV, that
Yeah.
means special treatment. Because if I hear anything
Yeah.
I can as well come in here and still say it. You know, that's the way I roll.
People need to indicate, people need to indicate that, oh, I want to know more about Forex. I saw you on Igbo TV. Please, that's the only way I can reply DMs, because if you send me a DM without like proper information of why you're sending me a DM, it might be hard for me to reply because I don't know who is here for something else, right? So that's why I always recommend you just say, okay, I'm here for Forex, or I want to know more about Forex, right?
You're
That's
correct.
yes.
You're correct, because there's a difference between going to someone DM and saying hi, hello.
Hi.
It doesn't
Yes.
explain who you are. Say I am so person. I saw you on Igbo TV. I want to. You make yourself very clear. So I understand what you're saying. So once more, I want to thank you for having the time to come and share with your brothers
one more thing to say
about this. Then I'm coming. You're still going to say something. For those people that want to follow me personally, not on Igbo TV, I just created this IG and Facebook. It's personal. It's personal. If you love me, follow me. If you don't love me, don't follow me, please. This is my personal IG, both for Instagram and for Facebook, both for non-Igbos and Igbos. Grateful Heart Life. If you go to Facebook, you will see it. If you go to Instagram, you will also see it. So, Ms. Jenny, you want to say something before we go?
Yes, because I'm actually watching the chat on my phone, and then I'm seeing some people saying something about what of those that don't use Instagram.
Okay.
So if you don't use Instagram, this is my Facebook. Oh, is my Facebook showing? I don't know. But you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I can give you my WhatsApp number. I don't know if I should drop it here, or do you want to, I don't know. Do I call it out? Or
yeah, just go ahead and call it. No problem. What's the name?
Okay, so my WhatsApp number is 081 2362.
Your number is what again? Call it again.
081 2362 0498.
Okay.
Yes,
let me put it in international standard. That's the Nigerian number, right?
Yes, that's a Nigerian number. I usually prefer there.
801
2362 081 2362 0498.
Okay, call it one more. Let me make sure.
081 2362 0498.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I want you to check it out. Is it correct here?
23620498. Yeah, that's it. No, you put 801 instead of 081.
Okay.
Yeah.
You say say it again, please. Let me make sure.
81, that's 081.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. 23, yeah, you just that 81 you didn't put correctly.
Okay. All right. I think that's it.
Yeah, 2362. Yeah, that's the number. So you can reach me out on WhatsApp. Like I said, don't reach me on WhatsApp with just a hi or a hello, because I would probably prefer you tell me this is what you're here for, straight to the point, right? So I can attend to you as fast as I can. And yeah, if you have more questions, you need more explanations, there's always a Zoom session. I can always go on Zoom with you personally. I can do a call with you. I'm always available. This is me. This is all I do, right? So I can have your time. So don't worry about it, right?
Yes.
That's it.
This person said name. The name is Ms. Jenny.
My name is Jennifer. Ada. My name is Adako. That's my Igbo name. My name is Ada.
Your surname.
My surname. My surname is Unwosu. NWS. My name is Unwosu. That's my last name. But my Instagram handle is Ms Janey, right? MS_Janey. That's my Instagram name. My Facebook is here. I think it's showing. I just pinned something on my Facebook. So if you can reach me, I think I'm getting messages from WhatsApp already.
Okay.
As we're talking. So
like I said, any other comment that you're seeing there, somebody come and join me or whatever, I am not involved. End of story. I don't have much. I don't talk much.
I'm sorry, please, guys. I don't recommend you money to trade for you. I've been seeing people say, "Can you trade?" No, please don't give me to trade for you. Give me the money. I'll register you. You come and trade by yourself. Rather than giving me money to trade for you, I don't work like that. That's how people lose money because a lot of people are so lazy. They
Mm.
don't want to trade. They don't want to learn. They just want to go there and sit down and somebody be paying them. You're never going to be financially free. You will never be wealthy if you do that. You
Okay.
have to do things yourself.
Mm.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Okay. So, like I was saying before, make
Mm-hmm.
sure you go through the proper channel. If you
Okay.
don't go through the proper channel,
Yes.
I will be the last person that someone who will scam on behalf of his name. The person will come online and say, "Oh, I said this." I'm not going to do that. Simple. I am saying it now, loud and clear. In fact, I'm going to say it in English and in Igbo.
Igbo.
In case you don't understand anyone, you will not say it because I was speaking English. Kam anjiri Igbo kwuo nke a.
Oh, yeah.
Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ime ihe gbasara ịzụ ahịa, maka ndị na-asụ nsụ Igbo, nsị obi abịa asụ Igbo
Yes.
nwe. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ime ihe gbasara ịzụ ahịa iji enweta ego, gakwu nwanne anyị nwaanyị Ms Janey Ada Nwosu ka o nyere gị aka.
Yes.
Na ọ ya wụ onye mma. Ịsịkwa na ị gaghị eme ya na o nwere onye ọzọ ị gakwuru, onwe otu ego gị si were gaa, nke ahụ gbasara gị. Ikwu onye m ya na.
Yes. Oh.
Let me speak this one in English. Please, if you want to learn more about this money making machine,
Yes.
go
Oh.
through our sister, Ms Janey Ada Nwosu.
Yes.
He will help you because she has been verified by me.
Yes.
Because I know that if you have any difficulty or whatsoever,
Yes.
she will assist. If she fails to assist accordingly,
Mm-hmm.
I will know.
Yeah.
And she knows how I will react.
Mm-hmm.
Because of that, I am only giving her the permission to do that. But if you go contrary to that, to someone else, whatever happened to you,
Yeah.
you are on your
On your own, no, please. On your own. Be careful.
final word before we go.
Final word, follow the right accounts. Follow the right accounts because some people have their fake accounts. If you follow me now, maybe one trader from somewhere will follow you and tell you, oh, make money in a minute. Please be very careful also online. Guys, let's make money. Nigeria is nobody's friend right now. You want to be in your own house at the comfort of your home and make your money in minutes, in hours, in days, guys. Let's just that's all I can say. But I'm really grateful to be out here today. I want to say thank you to all of you for sticking out through the show. I'm so excited. I mean, like, yeah, you guys have given me energy today. I woke up this morning and I was so lazy. I was like, oh, I don't want to come online. But here I am and I'm super excited. I'm fired up. And now I want to start my day. I feel like you guys made me start my day in a good way. So guys, so I'm so thank you. And also to you, Grateful Heart, because that's your new name now.
It's not my new name. It has been there for a long time. Just that you can
I didn't know that.
just realize it now.
Yes.
Grateful Heart.
I'm really grateful. I'm super excited. I'm so happy that you're trying to help us. You're trying to, like, it's obviously you're trying to help somebody who is like focused, because I'm focused. I know what I'm going for. So obviously you're trying to push that fire in me and make me want to move forward, which is kind of inspiration I always require, right? So I'm glad to be on Igbo TV. I'm glad for your help. I'm glad for everything you're doing on here, and it's so amazing. So thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much, our sister. And I guarantee you, once you make the money, there's only one request that I make. I didn't say wait.
Yes,
I didn't say give me 5% or 1%. I want you to use the money at least for some people back home, even if for charity. If you do that, let me know that you have done that. That is the only thing that will make me happy. I didn't say 1% or 2%. That is the only thing that makes me happy. So we wish you good luck in all your endeavors. God will be with you. And for all those that are watching, their comments and all that, we appreciate that. Just that anytime we are doing a program, there is a reason for that, and you have to understand. That is what understanding is all about.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Don't forget Ogendibo. Ogendibo is the one. When we have Ogendibo, no English. On Mondays, 9 p.m., we come we do Igbo challenge, a lot of stuff. You know that. If you are not been joining, that means you are missing out.
Yes.
Then for other program promotional, from time to time we do that. If you have such, bring it to our editors. They will analyze and make sure that you are authentic
Mhm.
because we deal with
Yeah, very
authenticity.
important. Yeah.
So once more, Ms. Jenny, we thank you for
Thank you.
joining us today,
Thank
and we pray that our good God will continue to bless us wherever we are.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate
Have
it.
a good day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay.